Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of SoulChill app. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about SoulChill app and you will click. Here you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.